Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Sketching channel. Ronda Rousey is a well-known UFC fighter. Today we paint her mini portrait, but first we do the basic shapes of her face. And then we erase the rough lines and draw the eyes with 0.05 mm fine liner pen. In this pose, we have her in a chin-up position, but I did do a mistake with the length of her nose and I did not rectify it. We use a 0.7 mm graphite mechanical pencil to draw a much clearer outline, and you can see the mistake that I have done with the edge of her face. However, here I rectify the mistake with her face which I had made too narrow. I will be making it broader. We use 0.05 and 0.8 mm fine liner pen to sketch a correct outline of the face and hair in the portrait. We paint our first coat of lemon yellow and portrait pink using a round tipped size 10 brush to act as a base for the entire portrait. We finish the hair with 0.8 mm fine liner pen and shade and tint the entire hair portion. We use burnt umber, Naples yellow and carmine color to shade and tint the hair and the face and complete the drawing. Hope you liked the drawing. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.